All right, we made it to Friday. It's Friday afternoon and I am stuck in this mess of afternoon commute. Tomorrow, February 10th, is my birthday. I've got this email from Nothing Bundt Cakes because I signed up for their rewards card or member card or whatever it is. I get a free little Bundt-ette, a free little cake. So that's why I'm taking this way. I never take this way, but I want my free cake. And it's got like 5 days before it expires, so I have to get it. So that's what I'm doing. And then I have softball tonight. Early games, 6:30 and 7:30. So I'm excited about that. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to a car show out in Fountain Hills. So I plan on doing a little recording for that. I went in and I got it. I got the carrot cake. And this is what it looks like. Just a little Bundt cake. I'm gonna put it in the freezer when I get home. Because Kim decided she wanted to do some sort of a 21-day cleanse. And not that it makes a lot of difference to me. I could eat it, but I'm gonna save it for when she gets off the cleanse, and then we'll enjoy it together. I gotta get used to looking at the lens and not the screen. There, now you can't even tell what I'm looking at. Good Saturday morning. Kim and I are about to get on the bike. We're heading out to Fountain Hills to take in a car show, and we're just packing a lunch because Kim's on this cleanse.
Well, detox
Cleanse. Not really detox. I mean, it's
detox.
It's a diet.
It's not a diet.
It's a way of life.
It's detox, taking out all of the preservatives out of my body, because there's a lot of food out there that has a lot of junk in it. So
yeah,
all natural.
Yeah, so we're packing a little lunch for her so she can have something to eat while we're out. And we're gonna jump on the bike here in just a couple minutes because we're celebrating February 10th. That's my birthday. So.
Happy birthday,
oh,
baby.
Thank you. We gotta get the dogs in here in a minute. And then we'll take you to the car show with us. There's also an RV show that we may go to. It's hard to say, but we're gonna figure out some stuff to do. And I'm gonna use this new camera.
Sorry,
and she didn't mean what she said.
You're gonna have to bleep that out.
Oh, there's the little dogs. We're going bye-bye. You're gonna have to go in your kennel. Hey, Bentley, you're gonna have to go in your kennel. Oh, what do you got there? Give me that stick. Trouble. Nothing but trouble. Come on, Bentley. Come on. You don't mind if we join you, do you?
No, no.
All right. The benefit of having bikes. Pretty cool. Luxury Rehab Center. I guess if you got the money. The fountain's still going. I wonder if it goes all day. What do you think? Eating your lunch?
Yep.
Veggies?
Lots of veggies.
Yeah. All right, so we're just kind of hanging out, and our friends, Trevor and Jess, they called, and Trevor has his kids this weekend, but they want to meet us up at a Teppanyaki place called
Osaka.
We're going to go up there and we're going to get a little dinner.
Little teppanyaki.
A little teppanyaki, so check it.
It's so silly.
This is where Kim gets her hair done at Sachi Studios.
And there's my hairstylist.
And there's the hairstylist.
Right there. Oh, I should say.
You could probably pop right in here. Kim has to say hi to her. All right.
It's so weird that
I've never been in this little area. This isn't, it's all around the other side. I know it should. I'm pretty sure the opening is on the front, other opposite corner. I hope you're happy with yourself. It's about to get real up in here.
Alright, I need some more. Just be careful with your eyebrows.
Alright, here we go. Watch your eyebrows.
That's the spot. What have your eyebrows? There we go, one more time.
That's his nickname.
Oh, that's the boy. He got a whooping. Whooping daddy.
Why did you say that?
For evidence.